Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 2 Fraction and Decimals Exercise 2E question number 4, right? This one is write each fraction as a repeating or a recurring decimal, right? So fractions are given, we have to write them as repeating or recurring. What does this mean? You've seen some fractions which never end, such as decimals which never end, such as 0.33333. so this 3 keeps on repeating, right? Same we have to do here as well, right? First we have the first part says 1 upon 3, right? So again we'll convert this 1 upon 3 first of all. So what we do is simply divide the numerator by the denominator, right? So 0 and a 0 here, 0.1 and 0 minus 9, and here this becomes 1, right? And this becomes 3, again a 0, right? Minus 9 and 1, so 3. So you can see again, let's try the last time, right? So every time we are getting here 3, 0.333. so this means what? This 3 here is repeating, and when 3 is repeating you can just write your answer as 0.3, and to indicate it is repeating you can put a dot or make a bar above the digit which is being repeated. Here we have 1, so I'll just make a dot here, right? So this indicates that 0.3 is a recurring decimal. Let's move on to the second part, right? Second part is 5 upon 6, right? So 5 upon 6, again we'll divide the numerator by the denominator. So 5 divided by 6 minus 0, 0 and 0.50, right? Now 48 from this, how many times? 7 times, right? So here we'll 8 times, right? So we'll have it here 8, right? And 48 goes 8 times, so 2 remains. 0 minus 18 from this 3 times, right? And we'll have 2 here, again 0 minus 18 from this 3 times, here we'll be left with 2, not 3, right? And 18 goes 3 times, right? Every time you'll do, you'll get 3 only which will be repeated, right? So our answer becomes 0.8, and 3 is being repeated, so I'll draw a bar over it because other digits are also there, so it's up to you, dot or bar, any is fine, right? So bar here, so 0.83, and this 3 is recurring in this. Let's move on to the next part, right? Next one we have is 14 upon 15, right? So this 4 upon 15, right? So 4 upon 15, we'll divide the numerator by the denominator, right? So 4 here, minus 0, 0 and 1, and 4 here, so 0 minus this thing, right? 30 goes 2 times, right? So 2 and 10 remains, again we take a 0, right? And minus 75, 5 and 6, 90, right? So minus 90, how many times? 6 times, right? Again 10 and minus, again we take a 0, so minus 90 here as well, so again 10, right? So every time we'll get 6, only 6 is being repeated, so you can write your answer as 0.26 and a bar on 6, right? Let's move on to the fourth part now, right? Next one we have is 1 upon 6. This is the fourth part, right? So 1 upon 6, again divide the 1 by 6, so minus 0, 0 point and 1, and increase a 0, so minus 6 from this 1 times, right? 4 and again a 0, minus 36 6 times, right? So 36 goes 4, will be left, again minus 36, so 4 again, right? 6, so 4 here, every time you will get 6 will be repeating, right? So you can write your answer as 0.16 and a bar on 6. All right, now let's move on to the fifth part. Now fifth one is 5 upon 12, right? So we'll convert this, again divide the numerator by the denominator. So minus 0, 0.5, another 0, minus 12 4s are 48, right? So 4 and 2 here, 0 minus 12 from this, how many times? 1 times, and 8 here, again a 0, so minus, right? Minus and 72, so 8 will be remaining, 72 goes 6 times, again 0, so minus 72, you will be left with 8 again. So you can see remainder is being repeated 2 times. This means that this 6 will repeat here, right? This 6 is repeating, so you can write your answer as 0.416 and a bar on 6, right? Let's move on to the sixth part. Now next one is the sixth part, right, and this is 5 upon 74. Again divide this, right, so 5 and 74 here, minus 0, so 0.5, again 50 minus 0, 50, and 0 here. Now increase 1 0, 500. We'll try multiplying. Let's multiply by 6, right, so 6 4s are 4 and 2 carried over, 7 6 are 42 into 444, right. What if we add it multiplied by that? No, it will be more than 500, right. So minus 444. From this, how many times, what will be left, right? So 6, 9 minus 4 is 5, 56, and this goes 6 times, right. So 6 here, and then minus this 560, right. So it's pretty obvious, it's 60 more, right. So we'll try multiplying this by, let's say, 7. All right, sorry, this will be 7 here, right. So 7 4s are 28 and 2 7 7s are 49 and 1 is 518, right. So more than that will be more than 560, so 518. How many times? 7 times, right. And what will be left? What will we be left with? So 2, 5 minus 1 is 4, right, 42. Now 42, again we will increase the 0. I'll just continue it over here, right. So 420 and 420 minus what? 6 it is, right. 444 is 6. Let's try 5. So 74 into 5, 5 4s are 20 and 275 is 35 into 370, right. So minus 370 from this, and we will be left with 0, 7 minus 5, right, 50 here, and what else over here? 6 7 5, right. Now 50, you can see if we increase a 0 in this 50, what will we get? 500 and 500 is already done. So this means our decimal will start to repeat. So you can say that this 0 will not be repeated, but you can see this 500 it is. So from 500 you will subtract 444 6 times, right. So 6 will be repeated, and then again 675 will be repeated, right. So you can just write this thing as 0.675, and this 675 will be recurring. So I'll write it here, 0.67 and 5, and sorry, there's another 0 here, right. So 0.0675, right, and this bar on 675. So this indicates that 6 7 and 5 are recurring. Let us move on to the next part. And now the seventh part, right, this is 9 upon 11. Again we'll solve it here. So 9 and 11 minus 0, 0 and 0.90 here, right. So minus 88, 2 here, and 88 goes 8 times. Again increase 1 0, so minus 11, and that will be 9, right, and 11 1, so we'll be left with 9, and increase in 0, right. So minus, and this 90 is already done, right. So no need to write this minus, you stop over here only, just 9 here, right. So this becomes our answer. You can see 8 1 here is repeating, right. So 9 is here and 9 was here as well. We'll increase the 0 here and here, so you'll get 88. 88 will repeat 8 times, right. So our answer practically is 0.81, and there's a bar on 81. We'll put the bar on 81 because 8 and 1 both are repeating, not just 1 or 8. So both are repeating, so 0.81. Let's move on to the 8th part now. Right, next one is the 8th part, and this is 3 upon 7. Again we'll divide this, right. So let's do it here in the middle, right. So 3 here and 7 here, alright, and again we'll divide it as usual. So minus 0 0 point, and 3 increases 0, so minus 28 4 times, so we are left with 2. Again increases 0, so minus 14, 6, 2 times 14 as well, so 60. Now here 60, 56 from this 7 times, right. Sorry, 56 8 times, right. So 4 here, 8 here, again a 0, so minus 35 from this, right, 5 times, so 5 here, again 1 0, so minus 50, so 49 from this, right. This will be, so I write it here, right. Let's continue the 50 part here only, right. So we'll get 5 here, and increase 1 0, 50, so minus 49, and this will be 1, again increase 1 0, so 55, 49 goes 7 times by 7, right, and 10, so minus 7, so 3 here, 7 goes 1 times, right, increase this, 3 here, can you see anywhere 3 is coming? No, right, so we'll keep on doing this until the new, you can write it here, just stop here. Why 3 is coming here? This 3 here, you can see 3 it was here, and this 3 0 we added, so it converted to 30. So you'll do the division again, and you'll see that this entire thing will repeat once again, right? So our answer becomes 0.42857, and there will be the bar on this entire decimal. All right, so 0.428571. Let's move on to the next part now. Next is the ninth part, right, and this one's 4 upon 7. Again we'll do that. So 4 and 7 here, minus 0 point, and 4 turns to 40, so minus 35, right, 5 times 5 remains, again a 0, so minus 49, 149 goes how many times? 7 times, right, and another 0, so 10 minus 7 from this, so 3, and 1 here, right, and again a 0, so minus 30, so 28 from this, so 2 here, right, and 4 here, right, 28 4 times, right, and then this bit 2 becomes 20, all right, and 20 minus 4 14, so 2 times, right, 2 times 14 will be left with 6. 6 was here? No, 6 was not here, right, so again we'll do this. So how many times? 56, right, 8 times, all right, 56 8 times, 4 here. Now 4 was anywhere here? Yes, it was in the starting, right, so stop here. So you can see that now this much part which we've got, this will recur, right, no need to do this entire thing, because you can see 4 in the remainder here, and 4 was here as well, so it is being repeated. So this means what? That this 4 become 40, and you'll do the entire process again, so that is waste of time, don't do that, right. So our answer comes out to be what? 0.571 and 4 to 8, and there is going to be a bar on this entire 571428, right. So this becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.